everyone, today we are going to solve level 2 IMO question paper of 2022 for class 3. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do so, and now let's solve the question paper. Level 2 question paper will have two sections. One would be mathematics and the other one would be achievers section. So let's first solve the mathematics section. Question 1. How many of the following shapes are 3D shapes? That's the easy one. So we have 1, that's sphere, 2, that's cube, 3, that's your cone, and 4, that is your cuboid. Rest all are 2D shapes. So we got only 4 3D shapes. Our right answer would be option B, 4. Moving to the question 2, the given thermometer shows, so what does it show? It shows 70 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's 70 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find out of these 4 equations or 4 expressions, which one will give you 70 degree. Let's see, 48 plus 24 degrees Celsius gives you 72. 65 plus 8 degrees Celsius will give you 73. 45 plus 25 degrees Celsius is giving you 70. And then 30 plus 50 will give you 80. So we already got our right answer. That is option C. Option C is giving you the same degree which this thermometer is showing. Question 3. Kanika has the following stones. So how many stones are there? There are in total 25 stones. If she gave 10 stones to her brother, then what fraction of the total stones is left with her? We have to find the fraction of the left stones. So when she gave 10 stones, the left stones are 25 minus 10, which is equal to 50. Now let's understand about fraction. A fraction is used to represent the portion or part of the whole thing. The number on the top is called numerator and the number on the bottom is called the denominator. And the number defines the number of equal parts taken, left or asked, whereas the denominator defines the total number of equal parts in a whole. So how do we have to write this? We have to write the left stone as numerator and then the total number as denominator. So left stone fraction is 15 by 25, which is option D. Okay, got it? Moving to the next question, direction for question 4 and 5 is the given pictograph shows the number of different flowers fallen in the garden. Study the pictograph carefully and answer the following questions. Okay, so we have a pictograph where names are written and the number of flowers are marked. Each number of pictorial flower is equal to actual 5 flowers. So let's find rows are 2 into 5, that is 10 roses are there. Tulip 3 into 5, 15 tulips are there. Then you have sunflower, which is just 5. Lotus 3 into 5, 15. Jasmine 4 into 5, 20. So now we know the actual number of flowers. Now let's see the question. There were dash less tulips fallen than jasmines. Okay, so we have to do the subtraction because whenever we have to find the difference of something, we do the subtraction. Okay, so jasmine is 20 and then tulips are 15. 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. So the answer is option A. Let's see question 5. How many roses, sunflowers and lotuses were fallen all together? Let's add them. 10, which is roses, 5, that is sunflower, and then we have 15, that is lotuses. So in total we got 30. The right option here is option C. Question 6. Which of the following options shows the greatest 4-digit number that can be formed from the digits 4, 0, 9 and 1 using each digit only once? So for such kind of questions, when it is asked that you have to form a greatest number, we have to follow the descending order. So as per the descending order, if we have to arrange 4091, the answer should be 9410. That is option C. We get 9410 as the greatest 4-digit number from these digits. Question 7. Which of the following options is incorrect? Let's see. 25 minutes equal to 1500 seconds. Let's solve it. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 25 minutes will be equal to 25 into 60. That is 1500 seconds. So this is correct. It is not incorrect. Let's see B. 144 hours equal to 6 days. Again we have to solve it. In one day how many hours are there? 24, right? So we have to divide 144 into 24. Let's do that and we get 6 days. This is also correct. Option C. 3900 minutes equal to 65 hours. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we have to find how many hours would be there in 3900 minutes. So if in 60 minutes it is 1 hour, 3900 divided by 60 will give you the number of hours, which is equal to 65 hours. This is also correct. That means none of these are incorrect. For us, option D is the right answer. Now let's see the question 8. There are dash slanting lines in the given figure. Let's find out. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slanting lines are here because they are not horizontal, they are not vertical, they are slanting lines. Okay, so 6 are here. Same way 6 are here. So 6 plus 6, 12. We got 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So in total there are 28 slanting lines. So if you see this one, this is not considered as slanting line because this is horizontal. Same for this. So these two are excluded and we got option D as correct answer, which is 28. Question 9. What fraction of the letters of the given word is vowel? So first of all, we have to count the total letters in this word and then we have to find how many vowels are there. And then we will form the fraction. Let's count the total number. In entertainment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total letters in entertainment is 13. So we know our denominator. Now let's find the numerator. Numerator would be vowels. So we have E, E, A, I, E. In total 5 times vowels are coming over here. So the fraction would be option D, 5 by 13. Moving to the next one. Question 10. The number shown on the given abacus is, let's see the number. So at 1000 place it is 4, which is 4000, then 200, then 35. So 4235 is our option D, which is our correct answer. Question 11. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. P is a book. Book looks like a sphere? Not at all. It's not sphere. So this is incorrect. Q, cone has no vertex. This is also wrong because vertex is a corner where line segments meet. And we can see on the top of cone there is a vertex. So this is also incorrect. P and Q both are incorrect. So for us, option D is the correct answer. That is neither P nor Q is correct. Question 12. Study the numbers carefully. So we have certain set of numbers and we have to find the greatest number and the smallest number over here. All we can see are in thousands. So let's find the greatest number. Here out of these the greatest number would be 9248 because we can see the 1000 value highest in this. And the smallest number is going to be 2145. So for us the right answer is option A. Let's see 13. Find the value of x minus y. Okay, so here is one equation and then we have to find the value of x minus y. So before that we have to find value of x and value of y. Let's see. 7x5 minus 30y will give you 494. Okay. Now let's first see this one. We'll see the ones. 5 minus something will give you 4. So what do we subtract from 5 that gives us 4? It's very easy. It's 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So we got the value of y, which is 1. Same way in the tens we can see something minus 0 gives you 9. If we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. So we got x equal to 9. Now we'll do x minus y, which is 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So the right option is option B, 8. Let's see the next one. Find the sum of shaded fractions of the given figure. Okay, let's see the shaded fractions. First figure will give you 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 shaded divided by or by total. Total is 8. So 4 by 8 is the shaded fraction of the first figure. Same way 5 by 8 is the shaded fraction of the second figure. Now we have to add them. Now here let me explain you, if the denominators are same, then we simply add the numerators and we keep the denominators same. So for this 4 by 8 plus 5 by 8 will give you 4 plus 5 by 8, which is equal to 9 by 8. For us the right option is option A. Question 15. Which of these options shows 1 hour 15 minutes less than the time shown in the clock? And in the clock we have 12:15. Now let's go back 1 hour and 15 minutes. So 12 hours will get converted to 11 hours. We are subtracting 1 hour and then we are taking those 15 minutes also. So it will give you only 11 hours 0 minutes. The right option here is option A. Moving to question 16, find the sum of place values of the encircled digits of the given number. Here encircled digits are 5 and 7. What is the place value of 5? It is 500. Place value of 7 is 1s. That is only 7. So 500 plus 7 is 507. We got the answer as option B. Let's see the next one. Amit went for his car service on the day just before the third Sunday of March 20XX. On which of the following date did he go for his car service? So let's first find the third Sunday of this calendar. This is first Sunday, which is 6, second is 13, and third Sunday is 20th March. And when did he go for the car service? A day before that. So the right answer is gonna be 19th of March, which is option C. Question 18. Find the minimum number of straight lines that are required to draw the given figure. It's just the twisting of the question because all the straight lines in the figure are minimum required. We need them to make this kind of figure. And before we proceed, let me clear one thing, that vertical, horizontal and slanted, all these kinds of line are straight lines. Until and unless any curve is there, the line is a straight line. So let's now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. In total we have 19 straight line. But there is no option of 19, but there is option of none of these. Right answer is option D because 19 is not there. So none of these is the right answer. Question 19. Identify the 3-digit number using given clues. Oh wow. Its tens place digit is largest 1-digit odd number. So which one is largest 1-digit odd number? That is 9. We will put 9 at the tens place. Okay, let's do that. Its hundreds place digit is 5 less than its tens place digit. Very good. So 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So at the place of 100 it is 4. Now let's see the third clue. The sum of all of its digits is 16. Okay. So 4 plus 9 plus something will give you 16. So that something is going to be 16 minus 13, which is equal to 3. We also got our ones, that is 3. Now here it is 493. The right option is option C. Moving to question 20. Which of the following items can be bought with a given amount of money? Let's first see the total amount of money. It is 200 plus 200, that is 400, plus 100 is 500, plus 50, 550, plus 10 is 560. Let's see which option is less than 560 or equal to 560. That is the only thing which we can buy, right? And out of A, B, C and D, the right answer is option A, because it only costs 280. We can buy from 560 rupees. Question 21. Divya collected 1256 playing cards in first year. If she collected 115 less playing cards in second year than the first year, then how many total playing cards did she collect in the 2 years? Now let's see the data which is already given in the question. We have the upfront value of cards of first year, that is 1256. Now we have to calculate the card she got in the second year, which is less than the first year by 115. So second year card would be 1256 minus 115, which is equal to 1141 cards. Now we have to add cards of both the years, which is equal to 1256 plus 1141, which is equal to 2397, and that is option C. Question 22. Which of the following options shows the correct descending order? Descending order is the decreasing order. The highest value number first and the lowest value number at the last. So P is 1500 ml, Q is 2 liter 5 ml. Okay. Now here we have to convert everything in ml because these units need to be same to put it into an order. Okay. So Q is 2 liter 5 ml, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml and 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. So Q is actually 2005 ml. Same way R is 1350 ml. Now let's do the descending order, and the descending order is going to be QPR because Q has highest value and R has smallest value. Question 23. Which of the following letters has least number of sides? Okay, least means minimum number of sides. Let's see A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. A has 10 sides. Just remember this. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So B is less than A. Let's see C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Till now, B is having the minimum number, that is 6. Let's see D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So B is having the least number of sides. The right answer is option B. Question 24. Sneha has two 500 notes with her. Okay. So one note is 500. So two notes of 500 is equal to 1000. Now she has rupees thousands with her. She buys the following items. Now let's see how many items cost how much, and then we'll add so that we will know that how much money was spent by Sneha. 250 plus 21 plus 250 plus 50 is equal to 571. So she spent 571 rupees out of her 1000 rupees. The amount left with her would be, we have to do the subtraction. So 1000 minus 571 gives you 429 rupees. So the money left is 429 rupees, which is option C. Question 25. Compare the following and fill the box using less than, greater than or equal to sign. Let's see. 9 hundreds, 25 tens and 3 ones. Let's convert it. 900 plus 250, because 25 tens is 250, plus 3 is equal to 1153. The other one is 900, 3 tens and 41s, which is equal to 900 plus 30 plus 40 equal to 970. So 1153 is greater than 970. What we are going to use is option A. Question 26. Ridhima went to market to buy some fruits. She buys 3 kg apples, 1 kg watermelon, 2 kg oranges and 3 kg grapes. How much money is spent by her? Here in the table we have items and their cost per kg. Per kg means per 1 kg. Now let's see how much she bought. She bought 3 kg apples. 1 kg apple equal to 80 rupees. So 3 kg apples will be equal to 240 rupees. Same way, she bought 1 kg watermelon. So it is 65 rupees. Then she bought 2 kgs oranges. If 1 kg is equal to 50 rupees, then 2 kgs will be equal to 2 into 50, which is equal to rupees 100. And she bought 3 kg grapes. So 3 into 55 is equal to rupees 165. How much money is spent by her means we have to add all this amount. That is 240 plus 65 plus 100 plus 165 is equal to 570, which is option D. Okay. Let's see question 27. The sum of lengths of kitchen knife and crayon is dash longer than the length of painting brush. So let's first find the length of crayon. Length of crayon is from here till here, which is equal to 2. Right? 2 rectangles. Now let's find the length of kitchen knife, which is from here till here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So sum of lengths of kitchen knife and crayon is 8. Let's see the painting brush length. It is from here till here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. The right option is option B. The sum of lengths of kitchen knife and crayon is 4 rectangles longer than the length of painting brush. 28. Simran bought 30 pink flutes and 12 blue flutes. She tied all the flutes equally into bundles of 6 flutes. How many bundles did she have in all? So let's find the total number of flutes, which is equal to 30 plus 12 equal to 42 flutes. Now what is given? It is given that how many flutes would be there in each bundle. And we have total number of flutes. And we have to find the groups, the number of bundles. So number of bundles equal to total flutes, which is 42, divided by flute in each bundle, that is 6, which will give you 42 by 6 equal to 7. The right answer is option D. Question 29. 2 milk containers contain the quantity of milk as shown. Okay, so P has 19 liter and Q has 24 liter. Which container contains more quantity of milk? Very clear. Q contains it. And by how much? That means we have to find the difference. So 24 minus 19 is equal to 5. The right option here is option D. Q has more quantity. How much more? 5 liter more than P. Question 30. If X is equal to 515 minus 515 and when X is multiplied with 0, then the result obtained is, that is something which you need to tell. So X is equal to 515 minus 515, that is 0, right? Because we are subtracting the number by itself. And if 0 is multiplied by 0, that means nothing is multiplied by nothing, which is equal to 0. The result will be 0. Option A is correct answer. Moving to the achievers section. Question 31. Observe the given two abacuses carefully and select the correct option. Let's see what is P. P is 5432. Q is 4524. Okay, fine. Let's see now. Option A is the number shown on abacus Q is more than the number shown on abacus P. That's wrong because Q's number is 4524, which is smaller than 5432. So A is incorrect. B. The number shown on abacus P is 5431. This is also incorrect because it is 5432. C. The expanded form of the number shown on abacus Q is 3420 plus 4. This is also incorrect. So all of these are incorrect. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Question 32. If 2 apples plus mango equal to rupees 50, 1 mango plus banana plus strawberry equal to rupees 17, banana plus strawberry equal to rupees 7, then find the value of an apple plus banana plus strawberry. These type of question, what we do, we pick one equation and put the input into the other equation. So a friend will, what we'll do first is, we'll take the value of banana plus strawberry and we will put that in the second equation. Let's do that. So we got mango plus 7 equal to rupees 17. So mango is equal to 17 minus 7 is equal to rupees 10. Now we got the value of mango. We are going to input that in the first equation. 2 apples plus rupees 10 equal to 50, which is equal to 2 apples equal to rupees 40. Now find the value of 1 apple. It's rupees 20. We got all the values to be put in the final equation. Apple, rupees 20. Banana plus strawberry, rupees 7. It is equal to 27. We got our answer. That is option C. The given bar shows the number of toy bikes 5 friends have. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following question. So Puneet has 25 bikes, Harsh 20, Vivek 35, Ankit 20, and then Virat has 30 bikes. A. How many less toy bikes does Harsh has than Ankit and Virat have together? So what we have to do? First we have to find how many Ankit and Virat have together, which is equal to 50. Then what we have to do is, we have to do the subtraction. Because they are asking how many less toy bikes does Harsh has than that total number. So what we'll do the subtraction. 50 minus toy bikes with Harsh, that is equal to 20, which is equal to 30. We got A as 30. B. Find the total number of toy bikes all the friends, 5 friends have. We have to simply do the summation. 25 plus 20 plus 35 plus 20 plus 30, which is equal to 130. So we have option A as A 30 and B 130. Option A is the right answer. Question 34. Study the given figure carefully and select the incorrect option. So P and Q are two figures and they have some shaded portion and some unshaded portion. Let's find the shaded fraction and unshaded fraction of both the figures. For P, the shaded fraction is 4 by 9, unshaded fraction is 5 by 9. For Q, shaded fraction is 6 by 9 and unshaded fraction is 3 by 9. A. The shaded fraction of figure Q is more than the shaded fraction of figure P, which is correct because in Q it is 6 and in P the shaded parts are 4. B. The sum of unshaded fractions of both the figure is 8 by 9. That is also correct. Denominator is same, so we'll simply add the numerator. So 5 plus 3 by 9, which is 8 by 9. This is also correct. In figure P, the unshaded fraction is less than the shaded fraction. Now this is incorrect because in figure P, unshaded fraction is more than the shaded fraction. You can clearly see 5 parts are unshaded and 4 parts are shaded. So we got our incorrect answer, incorrect statement, and the option is option C. So for us the answer is option C. Question 35. Identify me. Now there are some clues. I am a 3D shape. Okay. Out of A, B, C and D, A, B, C are 3D shape. So we are kicking out D. I have 6 flat surfaces. I have no curved face. All my faces look same. It is very easy. The answer is option C, which is a cube. It's a 3D shape. It has 6 flat faces. It has no curved line and all faces look same because it is a cube. With this, we have successfully completed Class 3 IMO Level 2 question paper of 2022. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done, and stay tuned because we'll be posting many more question papers for level 2 as well. Happy learning!